How to extract zip files on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can extract zip files on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to extract zip files on Android, first of all, most of the file manager apps that your phone provides, in my case I have the Samsung file manager. Some file manager already support extracting it, but nowadays there are still some of the devices and the files app that doesn't support extracting those devices. So first of all, you have to open up your Play Store and then download a popular archiver application known as Z-Archiver, and it is completely safe to download this app as well, so go ahead and make sure you do that. Once you open Z-Archiver, make sure to give it all the permission that it requires. Now you have to simply locate the file where your zip file or your RAR file, which means your compressed file, is located. In my case it is under the downloads folder. Here you can see a certain zip file. Now it doesn't have to be in zip, it could be in a RAR file or in a tar file or a 7z format. There are so many types of compressed formats that you can use. All you have to do is just tap on it once. You can choose to extract here or extract to. If you choose to extract here, all the files will get just displaced here, just right on this screen. But if you select extract to, it will create a separate folder with the same name, and inside that file it will place all the files, which will make it more organized. So you can tap on extract to here, and once you do that, it will begin extracting all the files that are inside of this particular file. So let us wait, and now you can see a new folder. So when you select that, you'll be able to see all the files that were inside of that particular archived file. And this is the way on how you can extract zip files on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.